Thanks for checking out the Blade Ops YouTube channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't want to miss out on any of our latest videos. Today we're taking a look at Ontario Knife Ti-22. This knife has a blade length of 3.03 inches, has that nice tanto grind there, and is DLC'd. And this is S35 VN steel and runs on bearings, so it is really smooth. Close length on this is 4.41, has these beautiful anodized titanium scales. Has a nice deep carry pocket clip as well, it can be tip up or tip down. Again on bearings, so it is really smooth, and this is a frame lock, as you can see there. And the weight on this is only 2.8 ounces. It is very light and will be a nice EDC style knife. Again, this is the Ontario Ti-22 Equinox, and you can get it at Blade Ops.